Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Garahe Media. So we're here at Triumph Green Hills, located at Ortigas, San Juan. And we're here to review another bike for today. So the bike that I'm gonna review for today is a newly released bike from Triumph Philippines. So for me, in my personal opinion, this is one of the most beautiful looking bikes, sports bike for me. Okay, I know there are other bikes there. There are other sports bikes, but to me at least, this is one of my favorite. I mean, the looks alone is very, very beautiful. So the bike that I'm gonna review today is the newly released Triumph Speed Triple RR.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what.
Man, this bike is so beautiful. Yeah. So the Speed Triple RR comes in two colors. This white one, which I prefer. So this looks more like a pearl white than a white color, and it also comes in red, which is this one. So this is the red Speed Triple RR. So the Speed Triple RR basically is a faired version of the Speed Triple RS. Yeah, the difference is, of course, the bug eye, or I call it a bug eye because this looks like a bug, and the riser handlebars in the Speed Triple RS. The RR, on the other hand, has clip-ons there. So let's go back to the white bike. Okay, so there. So that's the main difference aesthetically, is the fairings in the headlight, front fairings here, and of course the clip-on handlebars right there. Okay, so the Speed Triple RR rather, the Speed Triple 1200 RR comes with a 1160cc liquid-cooled double overhead cam inline 3 engine that produces 180 horsepower and 120 newton meters of torque, mated to a 6-speed transmission there. So it looks very good. There are other carbon fiber accents here in the front fenders, the side blades here, also here. Inside, there's also carbon fiber there. And yeah, also here underneath the tank, there's also a carbon fiber accent there. Okay, so it also has Brembo brakes up front and at the rears. Brembo Stellemas, 330 millimeters up front, dual disc brakes, and 220 millimeter disc brake in the rear, single caliper only. There, of course, like most bikes out there. As for the tires, very sticky tires, Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa V3s, 120 by 70 17s up front, and 190 by 55 by 17s at the rear. So there. For me, I would have loved the exhaust to be a little shorter, yeah, because it kind of sticks out a bit there. So it's fine, it looks good, but for me, I just prefer like exhaust under the belly rather than having it sticking out like that. So anyways, it also has 43 millimeter Öhlins semi-active shocks at the front with 120 millimeter travel, and a Öhlins monoshock at the rear with 120 mils of travel, also semi-active as well. You can control it through the dash of the bike. Unfortunately, we don't have the keys here because it's a Sunday. It's a Sunday and they're closed. So we just got to review the bike for now. So again, it has 6-speed transmission, and it also has a quick shifter installed from the factory. So it has a quick shifter there. So the pegs for the rider is here, very good looking, very sturdy, and also for the pillion. So I guess the pillion will sit here. You have to remove this, and I think it exposes a small cushion that I'm not sure yet because we don't have the keys. It has a single-sided swing arm, aluminum swing arm there. Looks good, looks very, very good. The tank is 15.5 liters of fuel. Okay, so it has a 15.5 liter gas tank there. What else? The side mirrors, I like this kind of side mirrors because it's very well integrated in the design of the bike. You know, there are other sports bike that has side mirrors that looks like it was an afterthought. Okay, but this, to me, it looks like they designed also the side mirrors to be a part of the whole look of the bike. So the windshield, the fairings, and the side mirrors look good all together there. So the grips here, it's very, very good, very sticky. Of course, Triumph, very, very good brand. Okay, the switches there, the brake levers, it's adjustable also there, fully adjustable levers, and fully adjustable clutch levers as well on the left side of the bike there. The switches again on the left side, very good. So lights, indicators, mode, horn, OK button, and cruise control there. So on the right side, you just got a home button, the kill switch, hazards, and immobilizer there. So it has an immobilizer also, and flashers here, there, right there. The flashers are there. Okay, so when you see the top of the triple tree, you'll see a Speed Triple 1200 RR emblem here. The dash, 5 inches TFT display. Yeah, I can't show it to you guys because I don't have the keys. Then when you look at the shocks, it has wirings coming out from it. That's because, again, this is semi-active and you can control it through the riding modes on the dash. So the side mirrors are there. Looks very good. Again, I like this color versus the red one. So the white one to me looks more, it's a different kind of look compared to the red one. Okay, LED headlights up front there, low beam, high beams, turn signal indicators, of course, LEDs, the rears also, and the rear tail light. For me, I like the rear to not have the plate holder hanging from the seat, or I mean the rear part of the bike, but for some weird reason, I kind of like this one. Maybe because it's aluminum compared to the standard plate holders that I see that has only plastic frames. This one is aluminum, so maybe that's why it's different. It looks more premium to me, and it looks more designed to be that way rather than having it, you know, the tail to be tidy and, you know, having the plate holder here instead of on top. I like it. I like it. There, you can see it's metal bolted there. Maybe that's why I kind of like this one better. And okay, so the exhaust also is an active exhaust. You can make it quieter or louder through the display. Again, you just have to switch it. So there you can see the valve for the exhaust there. So also the rear monoshock there's also wires, because again, semi-active, you can control it through the dash. So okay, God, this bike looks beautiful. Okay, so the seat height. The seat height is 830 millimeters. So for you Filipino riders out there, so the seat height is 830 millimeters. So for you smaller Filipinos out there, I think you can tippy-toe it, but for me, I'm 6 foot tall. I can flat-foot it. So let me show it to you guys. Let me just adjust the camera. There you go. Okay. So 820 millimeter seat height. I'm a 6 foot tall guy. So basically, this is how you'll ride the bike. So the riding position is aggressive compared to the 1200 RS because it has clip-ons and it's very lowered. So when you ride, you have to tuck yourself in and do this. Compared to the RS, which has riser bars, so ride it's aggressive but not so aggressive compared to this one. So the bike is very light, 195 kilograms wet. So that's with all the fluids and everything. It's very nimble compared to my CF Moto CLX 700. This is a lot lighter of a bike. A while ago, we reviewed also the Tiger 660, and that's also a lighter bike compared to my bike. But I don't like adventure bikes. I kind of like Neo Cafe racers a lot better. So the look of this bike kind of looks that way. So it mixes the neo retro look with the classic look and a more modern aesthetic. So that's why maybe this bike hits a little different compared to other sports bikes that we have in the Philippine market. So there. What else? There's not much to say about the bike because this is very beautiful, I have nothing else to say. I don't have any gripes with the bike. I like all the details that it has. So there, especially in this color, I really like this color. So again, it has an electronic throttle. Yeah, so quick shifters, like I said. Yeah, that's it. So if you get a chance to ride the Speed Triple 1200 RR, of course we'll keep you updated, and of course we'll definitely put a video of that. And I really do hope that we already have a GoPro or a Insta 360 by then. I really love the Insta 360 compared to the GoPro, by the way, but yeah, it's kind of expensive, so we have to invest on that soon. Okay, so there's nothing much left to say really unlike other motorcycles, because I don't have anything bad to say about it. Well, apart from the exhaust maybe, because I really like, a more cleaner looking exhaust. For me, it looks a bit, huge for the bike. Well, it has a powerful bike, but, the design of the exhaust, maybe it could have been a lot better compared to what it has. But the rest of the bike, I have no problems about it. So yeah, so that's just a quick review of the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RR. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to stay up to date, you click the subscribe button, and if you have any comments or suggestions, you can leave it down below, and I'll leave the contact details for Triumph Philippines in the description box below. So again guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.